What is going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to a beautiful day outside. Beautiful day. It is, I don't know, probably in the 70s or so, something like that. But yeah, today we do have some parts that just arrived, and I'm very happy. Stuff I've been waiting for. So today we are going to be getting rid of this bad boy, all of this here, and we're going to be going to Hitachi R35 coils. And yeah, so right off the bat, this is a big disclaimer. So I did not buy the PRP full kit. I bought something, I bought the PRP, like what is this? I bought this rail from PRP a very long time ago. They were having a sale on it, and it was one of the last ones in silver, and that's the color that I really wanted. So I just splurged and kind of got it. Instead of paying, like, I don't know, gobs amount of money for the whole kit, I actually saved a good amount of money. And then I just sourced the rest of the parts, wiring specialties, you know, wire harness, and in Hitachi coils, the right Hitachi coils. So if you guys are looking for the right ones, these are the right ones. This is the brand here, Hitachi, but it is IGC 0079. That is exactly what PRP uses, if not using the OEM replacement R35 coil packs. So they are very equivalent, same stuff, and these are OEM style Hitachi coils. So we are going to get into it. So as you can tell right now on the table, I have the coil pack, the you know, like the, I don't know, the brace. And this is an old style, so like these are super duper old. Like I said before, I got these a while ago, but they still work. It does the same exact thing. So one of the things I do have to do, hopefully I didn't break that. One of the things I do have to do with these coil packs is I do have to take them apart to some degree anyway, and I do have to change all the stocks. So these stocks are exchangeable, well, replaceable with these stocks, because these stocks are just way too long, but they are really good stuff. So yeah, so let's just get to that now. I'm gonna try to bolt everything back up, and yeah, let's just keep rocking. All right, so it really looks super good. Very I like it a lot. I swear I like it a lot. So yeah, as you can tell on my OEM coils, they are cracked, split, melted. You get the gist. You get the gist. So hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully I can install this in a minute or two, and we can try to start the car, and hopefully it won't misfire or anything like that. So yeah, let me set the camera up over there, and let's get this thing rocking. All right, people, so I'm at the point where I'm going to attempt to start it, and hopefully it doesn't misfire like crazy like it was before. I don't have it bolted all the way down, but I think if this is successful, then I could actually bolt it all the way down and put the cover on and do all that jazz. So let's see how it works. All right, here goes nothing. Woo! Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. As you can tell, let me turn this thing on. Wow. People, what a difference. What a difference a set of coil packs does make. I swear. So right now I am to the point where we are just about done. The only thing I really got to do is bleed this clutch. I don't know, well, bleed the clutch and get this axle fixed, because yeah, I kind of need that. I kind of need that to drive this car around. If not, there's going to be a lot of really, really nasty sounds. So, yeah, I'm super duper excited. So now I got to spend some time, and I'm just going to go to the store, try to grab a universal boot for this axle, and hopefully I can actually get it to where it needs to be. But if you guys remember from last video, it was sputtering, it was going crazy as far as the coil packs were going. But that is definitely something really, really positive, because if you guys look, like I showed you before, these things are all melted, cracked and whatnot. So like it was just, this igniter was probably bad, who knows, like. So it is definitely a good idea to just upgrade to R35 coil packs, or some type of coil pack kit, because OEM ones will definitely like fail on you eventually. Mine just happened to fail on me now because the engine got super duper hot. But if you what I'll do is I'll put all the links down in the description for where I got this stuff, because you can definitely, if you go hunting, you can definitely find some really, really good stuff. I got my coil packs from Rock Auto. Well, I got my coil packs from Rock Auto. My the PRP, just the coil pack holder was from PRP, obviously. And then I got a Wiring Solutions, or wiring specialties wire harness. So with that said, the car is running really, really top notch now. So like I said before, all I really need to do is get that axle, and then I could actually start this thing, pull it out into the driveway, and actually like fill it up with coolant and make sure everything is tight and really good with this, with everything that I did. I'm probably gonna need, honestly, an alignment whenever I get done with this bad boy, because I don't know if I actually made sure that the steering wheel did not move. But we're just gonna have to see, you know what I mean? We're just gonna have to see. If anything, what I'll do is I'll undo the steering shaft itself, make sure that the wheel is straight, and then reattach it, up on the lift somehow, some way, or whatnot. But we are getting close, very, very close to the very end of this project. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Well, it probably won't be the last of this project, because still need to get a dyno tuned, still need to get the Haltech installed. I still got some stuff to do. I probably won't be doing it. I'm gonna have a shop do that part, because one, I don't mess with ECUs, plus I don't want to really mess around with it on stock injectors, stock everything like that, you know what I mean? What I will probably be doing is upgrading the pump myself, and when I take it somewhere, I'm just gonna have the Haltech installed, I'll have the injectors installed at the same time, and then I'll get the tune done for the car. So but yeah, right now car runs really, really nice so far, and we can probably get it to the show that I really wanted to get to. So yeah, I don't know, before you guys yell at me for repeating myself, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Deuces.